Hello dear friends! Now you will see another selection of coolest products from Amazon sites. All links to the products in the description below the video. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Let's go!
This is the Capsule W5, the first air conditioner designed with you in mind. The W5 is the slimmest air conditioner available, at only 7 inches tall, allowing you to keep your view. The W5 is smart. Use the Capsule app to set a schedule for cooling just when you need it, or ask your smart speaker to shut it off on your way out the door. Capsule works with Google Home, Alexa, and Nest right out of the box. Installation is a one-person job. The lightweight frame goes in first, providing a secure fixture for the W5 to slide into place. Storage is easy. The slim design makes it easy to tuck away in the off-season. Capsule W5.
Does your air conditioner make you uncomfortable?
It's always too hot or too cold.
It's too warm when the sun is shining.
It's too cold when there's a thunderstorm. It's freezing when I wake up.
Air conditioners only allow you to set a temperature, but many other factors affect your comfort. Humidity, weather, sunlight, and even your daily metabolic cycle. AmbiClimate solves these problems by revolutionizing the usage paradigm of air conditioners. Just tell us if you're hot, cold, or comfortable, and our award-winning AI solution will automatically adjust your air conditioner to improve your comfort and help you save energy.
Anywhere you go, take control of your comfort with the new, affordable and portable Cosmos Daisy air conditioner and heater. Everyone who has ever worked in an office knows it's never the right temperature, and no combination of sweaters, coats, or scarves seem to fix it. Luckily, there's a new, affordable solution for all of your temperature needs. Introducing the Cosmos Daisy, a revolutionary heater-cooler for your office and home. With its sleek, small, and modern design, the Cosmos Daisy looks great in any room. Its easy-to-use interface ensures precision temperature control all year round. Using thermoelectric cooling and heating technology, the Daisy uses 20 semiconductors to heat or cool to your liking. These small semiconductors allow the Daisy to be compact, lightweight, and still heat and cool any environment to your liking. This small footprint makes it easy to take the Cosmos Daisy anywhere you need it. Sleek, modern, advanced, affordable comfort.
It is powered by a battery. It is driven by a true rotary compressor. It is the world's most revolutionary portable air conditioner. It is the Zero Breeze Mark II. In 2014, we conceived the idea of making a true battery-powered portable air conditioner. The technical challenges were massive. and it was considered almost impossible. But in 2016, we turned that into reality. With the help of more than 4,000 supporters around the world, we managed to raise over $1.6 million for the original Zero Breeze. It set our ambitious journey since then. Now, after 3 years of intense R&D, we're back with a more powerful, completely redesigned Zero Breeze Mark II to change the game again. The Mark II has major upgrades applied inside and out. With our more powerful patented 24-volt sine wave frequency controlled rotary compressor, the cooling power gets a 200% boost. The outlet temperature may now drop up to 30 degrees Fahrenheit within 10 minutes. The Mark II is also attired with an all-new dual-hose design. With the newly equipped centrifugal fan, both the front and rear outlet have received a significant efficiency lift. The isolation circulatory system between indoor and outdoor air cools twice as fast, but 40% more efficient. Zero Breeze Mark II has also expanded its features.